This type of matooke, you may think that hii nga ikalukato, but bukula mango. Ojja kulaba nga ka red munda. Yeah? As you can see, oyinza ogamba hii nga kato, but this is yeno type. Tibwe buba bukuze buli bwe lutero lusuka wano nga kengera. So oba olina bwe boyagala like nga abagala nnyo akatogo, this is the right size and right matooke. When you grow in a village like me, you know all kinds of things. There are kids who cannot even make this. So this is something that in our culture we use as a career. If in your culture you don't use it, then do the Abazungu use this? Do you guys in the Western world use these things? After that, I can put, if I don't want the whatever to the masanda bagaita chi mu luzungu echo sobola okuteekako wano n'oteekako, then you carry your matooke. This is too small for me. Oh yes, Kristo. And once my panga. All right, there we go. Every African woman knows how to do this thing. Unless you're not one, or unless you grew up in Kololo. You know, those people don't even know how they get matooke. You know all these things.